You can see this in All the Best movie, in Sunday movie, also in Gold Umbrella Garden. All trees are trimmed in a shape like umbrella. There is a song called मैं लेला लेला चिल्लाऊंगा कुर्ता फाड़ के. That song was shot here. The left hand side, this is the lake garden, generally used as a golf course in movies. Movies में इस statues को हटा के इस place को as a the left hand side you can find the heartbeat garden. On your left now you can find the heartbeat garden, generally used for proposal scenes in movies. And now in left hand side you can find the fantasy street, generally used with the help of smoke effect shootings. They are thinking like this. They are sitting and thinking. So this is called man thinking garden. And now the right hand side you can find the black color stage structure, that is called limelight garden, generally used for corporate events, marriage events and award functions. It's a rockstar. You see? Okay. There's a song called O Nadan Parinde. That song was shot there. Also Dilwale movie, the last climax scene, Shahrukh Khan the fighting scene with King, that was shot there. The left hand side you can find the Century Garden. All trees are trimmed in a shape like animals. You can find this garden in Bahubali movie from that place. The song Dream of Pokemon Critical Condition, that was shot here. Hindi song Chand Chupa Badal Mein and Prem Ratan Dhanpayo was shot here in this place. And Telugu movie Bimbisar was Devyani Garden. We have Bharatnatyam. These are the dance form of Bharatnatyam. This is called Devyani Garden. You can see this in Ulala Ulala song from Dirty Picture movie. At the street, also the Palm Street, generally used for entry scenes in schools and colleges. Generally used for entry scenes of hero and heroines. Song from Oh My, it's a Telugu movie. Karisma. इसकी खासियत ये है कि सेंटर में डांस करेगी, चाहो तो भी डेकोरेटेड. About getting booking for this garden. Any guesses why?
Why?
They're being so modern. And find this street in RRR movie. Have you seen Triple R of Ram Charan? Heroine's tire puncture scene. Heroine Jenny's tire puncture. Side, this is Roman architecture based jug fountain. This jug is replaceable. कभी भी हटा सकते हैं. In Chris 3 movie, it was replaced by Hrithik Roshan statue. And the song was shot here. God, Allah और भगवान ने बनाया एक इंसान. Also, he was shot here in this place. MP क्या है? No idea. MP. Multi-purpose building. This building is having 4 elevations. From this side it is a haveli, back right side it is a court having 4 elevations. You can find this in Surya Vansham movie and in Sarkar Raj and also in Sita. Find a temple over there. Any guesses which god or called God list? Find that in Chennai Express movie as Vinama Temple. KGF chapter 1, KGF chapter 2. Have you seen Kubera? Shown you as 300 side. This road you can find in Magadira movie on the bikes. And now the left hand side you can find this is a 2-in-1 building. If painted white it will be good, sir. And now we are entering the north elevations over here. The right hand side, this is Alia Bhatt's house from Gangubai Kathiawadi movie. You're right now. Gangubai Kathiawadi. And left hand side, this street has been used in Rabne Banati Jodi, Hole Hole Ho Jayega Pyar. That song was shot here. Again left hand side, Fatehpur Sikri Buland Darwaja. You can find this place recently in Chhawa movie on a fighting scene of Vicky Kaushal. And again your right hand side and front side, you can find the masjid view. You can find a mosque. If it's completely painted in white color, this will be Taj Mahal, Gateway of India. Distance. Now everyone please have a look at RR movie on the snake poisoning scene of Ram Charan that was shot here in this street. And again your right hand side, these are North Indian shopping complex. We have 365 days lockdown over here in these places. Will open only the time of shooting. So still. And your left hand side, these all are Bengali typical houses. You can find these houses in Syam Singha Roy movie of Nani, also Dabang 2. And now again your left hand side front, we have 3 flexible houses. Each houses are having 4 faces for hero, heroine, villain and comedian. They all stay in the same house for the shooting. और आपको दिखेगी someone is in Mumbai, someone is in Delhi, like that they show you. You can find as Kajal's Bulgaria house, Dilwale movie, also Prabhas house in Rebel movie. Third one you can find in Jai Ho movie as Salman Khan's house. Central jail. From outside inside we have a beauty parlor for ladies. whenever. And now we're heading towards the South City, that is North City, and this is called South City. This site was made in year 1997 for the Hindi movie Bade Miyan and Chote Miyan. The left hand side center, if we are putting Gandhi statue over here, it will be Gandhi Nagar. If we are putting your statue, it will be your Nagar. Recently, Puspa song from Puspa 2 movie was shot here in this place. You can find this as a marketplace in Mari movie, in Dabang movie, in Singham movie, and also in Vishwasa movie. Also, this was the Bade Miyan Chote Miyan Chor Bazaar.
चोर बाजार.
And now your right hand side, this is a police station which was used in Gabbar Singh movie. Gabbar Singh and Singham, Dabang, all those movies were shot here in this place. And fish market. Again your left hand Dilwale movie, Aaj Shah Rukh Khan's garage, this one. And again it's from Nayak movie. Have you seen Nayak? Anil Kapoor's One Day CM. उनका हीरो का करता है ये वाला. And now everyone of Plaster of Paris frontal elevations. If you are opening the door, you will directly enter to forest. We don't have anything inside. Andar we have anything inside. We just have the forest at all. Definitely you can have a look. We just have the frontal elevations. These all buildings was used in movie as a village. Bus stop in Drishyam movie as a bus stop. Buildings of Ramoji Film City. And these are Katappa, Keel, Bahubali movies. 40% scenes were shot there at that place. Katappa killing Bahubali, the fighting scenes with Kal Kiya was also shot there at that place. We generally show these big buildings in movies as a city or corporate office. You can find these in Janta Garage movie as Hyderabad city. Also you can see this in Krish 3 movie on the building to building jumping scenes that was shot here with the help of VFX. So have you seen Salar? देखिए आप सबने Salar movie? यानी कहाँ गया? Scene from the movie Salar was shot here in this street. Heroine एयरपोर्ट से उतरती है, टैक्सी लेके आती है, फिर उसको किडनैप करते हैं. On the front side, you can find that airport. So this is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. This building is also having 4 elevations. From front side airport, back side it is a hospital, and left side it is a library, and right side it is a church, having 4 elevations. And again your right hand side you can find the cinema hall set. From front side it is a cinema hall, and from back side it's a coffee house. Right hand side you can find that we have reached Paris. Second dropping point, this is called London City. We also call it as European Street. The right hand side you can find capture floors inside these buildings. We have blue chroma screens and green chroma. Small shooting floors inside these buildings. First at left hand side second house we have 2 attractions, motion capture and virtual production. In motion capture you can get down, you can keep
का इस एडवांस प्रोडक्शन फ्लोर में यहाँ 2 नए किस्म की टेक्नोलॉजीज का प्रदर्शन किया जाएगा जिसने फिल्मों की दुनिया में रेवोल्यूशन लाया है. एक है मोशन कैप्चर और दूसरा वर्चुअल प्रोडक्शन. एक एक्टर के एक्शन और एक्सप्रेशन को ऑप्टिकल कैमरा सिग्नल के जरिए रिकॉर्ड किए जाते हैं और उन्हें किसी 3D कैरेक्टर पर रीटारगेट किया जाता है. इसे हम अनरियल इंजन सॉफ्टवेयर के जरिए एकदम रियल टाइम में कर सकते नहीं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Oh, see you, Abu.
Please look at the front side. See the artist and see the other characters, same body movement on the screen. Please look at the top. These are the OptiTrack cameras. Total 16 cameras are there. And also you can see our artist wearing a special costume which has the sensor on it. The cameras are capturing the sensors. Because of that only you are able to see avatar character on the screen. We are doing with the help of that chroma screen. You can see the blue wall, that is